Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing my first video or my first week of meal prep. I thought it would be interesting to show you guys what I'm eating, and then also I'm going to show you guys my progress as well. So I've done 1 week of meal prepping, so I'm going to show you guys what I did or what I made for the first week. And I'm going to show you guys my body because I want to see the difference, because right now I feel like I can't really see the difference from when I started to now, but like my clothes fit better, I know that for sure. So I want to see the progress as well. So I hope this motivates you or helps you to get, I guess it helps with how to meal prep, because for the longest time I thought meal prepping would be so hard, but now that I look at it a different way, it seems like a lot easier. You just have to figure out what you want for a whole week. I know it could be boring. Some people say, do you get tired of the same food? But you can switch it up, and I'll show you how I switched it up so I didn't get bored throughout the week. And I made it so it could be simple, really easy meals, really quick. You don't have to do too much. So I'm going to show you guys the recipe, but first I want to show you guys my body. This is a week of meal prep and a week of working out. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then hopefully week by week it'll change. Right now I just weighed myself today. I am 195. I started at 230, so it's all good in the hood. So let me show you guys my body. I'm a little fluffy, as you guys know, but I just always have to remember it's a journey. I have to take it day by day, even though it's so hard. And some days I'm just like, what the heck? Every day I'm hurting because I'm working out so much, and I feel like I have a headache because I want freaking carbs. But it's okay. I feel like it's gonna be all worth it in the end. So we're taking it day by day. So let me show you guys my body, and then I will show you guys the meal prep. Okay, so this is my stomach right now. I'll lift up my top. So this is what it looks like. I do have stretch marks. I do have fluff, but we're working on it. It's a process, but this is what my stomach looks like right now. Yeah, so week 1. So let's get into the recipe right now. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing meal prepping. I thought this would be kind of a fun video to do, to show you guys my meal prepping, because this is the first time I'm ever doing meal prep. So I figured out what I want for the week. I'm going to do fajita bowls. Hopefully my washer isn't too loud, but I'm going to do fajita bowls. So I got some bell peppers just for a little bit of color. I got avocado for the fat. It's a healthy fat. And then I got an onion for flavor, lime, lemon, cilantro, and then I got 2 different kinds of meat. I got chicken. I probably should have got a fattier chicken, but that's okay. I just got some chicken strips from Sprouts, and then I got some flank steak so I don't get bored, so I can mix up chicken and chicken and steak. So what I'm going to do is cut up everything, and then I'm going to cook it. So I'm going to show you guys how I cook it, because I saw simple things on Google, because I was Googling meal prepping, so that it'll be super easy for me. I did get some containers. Let me show you guys the containers that I got. So this is the container I got. It's like a Pyrex glass container. I thought it would be perfect for my meal prepping. I got a round one, and then I got a square one. I only got 4 because I only work 4 days a week, so I thought that would be easier. On the other days I could just fix my meals real quick while I'm at home. So I just need it so that I don't go out to eat when I'm at work. So I got these 4. I got 4, 2 square, 2 circles. So I'm gonna wash these out and all that before I put my stuff in. Oh, also I did get some broccoli rice instead of cauliflower rice, because I couldn't find cauliflower rice because I didn't see any at Sprouts. But yes, let's start prepping. So I cut my bell pepper and my onion into like little strips. So this is all cut up. I used half an onion and then like pretty much half of each bell pepper. I didn't use a full bell pepper, but I really like green bell pepper more, so there probably is a little bit more green than the other colors, but I really like green bell pepper. So now I'm going to, I have to slice up the meat, well, the beef part, because the chicken's already sliced up, but I'm gonna slice this up real quickly, and I'm gonna have that in a separate bowl. Okay, so I cut up my meat and I seasoned it. So sorry to the vegans out there, but this is just seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, paprika, salt, and cumin for that Mexican flair. And I added a little bit of lemon juice for flavor. And then I mix it all together. And I'm going to put it on this pan. I'm just going to bake it in the oven. I felt like this would be a lot easier. So I'm just going to mix like half of the side with chicken and then half the side with the beef. And hopefully they all cook together, marinate together, have a little party in the oven, and it turns out delicious. So I'm going to do that right now. And I sprayed the pan with some avocado oil, by the way. So we're gonna mix it. I decided to just do half the pan of meat and then, or beef, and then half the pan of chicken, and then have the peppers and onions in the middle. Hopefully they'll cook pretty evenly, because I think that the bell peppers are gonna cook fast, so I'm not sure. If not, I mean, if it does, I'll just take out the bell peppers and then just continue to cook the meat. But hopefully this ends up good, but it looks good so far and it smells delicious. Okay, so this is the rice I'm going to use. It's cauliflower and broccoli from Green Giant, and I have all my containers ready to start the meal prep because my chicken and beef is like almost done, so I'm going to start piling it all in, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I put everything in there. Okay, so here is the finished product. I'm trying not to show a shadow, but this is the chicken. So there's the broccoli and cauliflower rice, the bell pepper, onions, and then the chicken I put a lime and cilantro. And then on the side I have some avocado. I didn't put it in here because if I heat this up, I don't want to heat up my avocado, so I put it on the side. And then for the beef, but the beef is the same exact thing, it's just the flank steak, I think that's what it's called, on the side. I tried not to cook it too long because if I microwave it, it's gonna be overcooked, but I may have overcooked it, but I think it'll still be fine. And then the avocado on the side. So these are my 4 meals. Like I said, I only work 4 days a week, so it's just for the 4 days I work. I think it ended up really, really nice. But that is all for my meal prep. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.